Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the Proxifier error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game in Battlefield 6. So this error usually happens because Battlefield's anti-cheat system detects programs like Proxifier, VPNs or network tunneling tools running in the background. First, close Battlefield 6 completely, then press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to enter Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and look for anything related to Proxifier, VPN, or proxy software. Right-click on each one and click End Task. Next, open your Start menu, type Apps and Features, and uninstall Proxifier if you don't really need it while gaming. Now restart your PC and launch Battlefield 6 again, and the error should be gone. If you still get the message, try running the game as administrator and make sure no proxy settings are active in Windows Internet Options. And that's it. If this helped fix your Battlefield 6 Proxifier error, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick fixes.